Welcome to Abstalbus. In this video, I will show you how to block unwanted calls on WhatsApp, how to silence unknown callers, and also how to block messages from unknown numbers. To do that, open WhatsApp, tap the three vertical dots at the top right and select Settings. Tap Privacy. Scroll down and tap Calls. Toggle the switch for Silence Unknown Callers to On. The Silence Unknown Callers setting inside WhatsApp is specific to that app and works even if your phone's main Do Not Disturb is turned off. This method ensures that calls from numbers not in your contacts won't ring your phone. They will still show up in your Calls tab, but you won't be bothered when the call is happening. Then, to block messages from unknown numbers, go back to the privacy screen, scroll down, select Advanced. Toggle the switch for Block Unknown Account Messages to On. This setting will stop spam messages on your WhatsApp. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.